Hello students, our today's topic is define reason codes for manual outgoing payment. You define reason codes per company code for handling payment differences in the form of residual items, partial payments, posting on account. Reason codes come about, for example, if cash discount period was exceeded, if cash discount was taken when net payment was due, or simply if there is a computer error at the customer. Per reason code, you determine in which company code it is valid, which correspondence type, that is payment notice to the customer, is connected to it, short text and long text of the reason code. Finally, you can set the clearing indicator for each reason code. This means that the payment difference is cleared using a separate GL account. You define this GL account in the general ledger implementation guide in the create GL account step. For more information on this, read the chapter define accounts for payment differences. If you do not set the indicator, then a new item is generated in the form of an outstanding receivable in the customer account. For that, we can use PATH, SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Outgoing Payment, Manual Outgoing Payment, Overpayment, Underpayment, Define Reason Code. SAP में देखते हैं हम SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Outgoing Payment, Manual Outgoing Payment, Overpayment, Underpayment, and define the reason codes. Click enter your company code and click on continue button. Here we can create a new reason code, but already reason code exists there for wrong quantity. Okay, not exist. Then we will create a new entry. Click on new entries. We will give number 080, short text for wrong quantity, long text, wrong quantity, and enter payment notice without line item. Then click on charge off differences. Click save button. Click on create request. Enter your details. Define reason code. Then click on save button and then click on continue button.